Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on eBay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser within which you have not logged out from your eBay account. And then in the address bar, type in ebay.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official eBay website. Now, since you have not logged out, you will see your username at the top left corner. Just click on the drop-down menu and you will see the sign out button. Go ahead and click on it. And now you will be told that you have signed out from your account. If you wish to log back in, you can click on the sign in button at the top left corner or the sign in again button. And you can once again use your email address or your username and enter your password to log back into your account. And there is also the options to use your social media accounts. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on eBay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.